is I had a plum-haired parakeet. So one fine day, she just flew away from that gallery. This lady, Aarti Moe Talwalkar, I connected with her. Aarti asked me back, she is asking me, why is Archana so surprised? उसको पहले से पता था मैं उड़ने वाली थी. So I was like, this is real communication. ये सिर्फ मुझे और वो पैरट को पता था, ये किसी को नहीं पता था. So I said no, there is some science behind this. I need to learn more. जब मैं सीख रही थी animal communication, from animals we went to plants or nature. I have this magnolia plant. He's bending down. I'm giving him everything. I go to gardeners, I give him fertilizers. कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. So I said, let me try here. And the only one sentence I heard is change the direction. So मैंने मेरे गैलरी के इस तरफ से उसको उस तरफ कर दिया. The third day, that guy is up, nicely open and full of life.
Please subscribe to our channel Talking Tales and do not forget to press the bell icon so that whenever we upload a video, you'll come to know.
Hi everyone, my name is Archana Nayak Pengal. And I am one of the animal communicators from a big family of nature and animal communication. And it's been almost a year now that I have ventured into this, and I've got loads of things that I learn every single day. There is no ending to learnings. So it's a very beautiful experience, and I guess it's something everybody can learn. अगर आपको जानवरों से प्यार है, अगर आप नेचर से प्यार करते हो, it is very shocking कितनी बातें हैं उनके पास आपके साथ शेयर करने के लिए. So you should definitely venture into it. Should learn it.
So Archana, I would like to know from where this started, the inception of you coming here.
It's very interesting. Ever since my childhood, I've always been in and around animals. So I had around 11 cats at one point in time in my house. I had 3 parrots, I had 1 Saint Bernard. So yes, there have been many animals, but one such incident happened is I had a plum-haired parakeet. So one fine day, she just flew away from that gallery, and I have been scouting, looking for her where she is. Now I have a very strong whistle, and with Grace, we used to practice every day. She used to whistle, I used to respond. So we knew each other to whistle. So one fine day she ran away and I whistled, and उसने मुझे वापस acknowledge किया that I can hear you. So सुबह जो वो उड़ गई थी, and I kept whistling in the afternoon. वो कहाँ से मुझे acknowledge देती थी कि मैं हूँ इधर. शाम को she returned back, and then I was fine. Okay, I got my parrot back. लास्ट ईयर जब भी रेनी सीजन चालू हुआ, सडनली आई गेस आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम बरसात बहुत ज़ोरों की चालू हुई, एंड दिस लेडी फ्लू आउट अगेन. और इतनी ज़ोरों की बरसात थी कि माई विसल आई कुडंट हियर. तो उसने सुनने का इट वॉज नो चांस. सो आई गॉट स्कैर्ड. आई सेड अब ना मेरी आवाज़ उधर जा रही है ना उसकी मेरे पास आ रही है. आई वॉन्ट दिस गर्ल बैक, एंड इट वॉज पोरिंग. And then I thought how to find a lost animal. So I went on the internet, I found I want to find my parrot, what options? And then I came across this something called animal communication. And I was like, okay, isko bhi try karte, because I want my baby back. And I happened to read about Manjari Latte and Akshaya Kavre. I reached both of them. Manjari, I guess, was traveling, so she said, Archana, I am not in the position to help you right now. Can we connect tomorrow? I said, मेरे पास नहीं है tomorrow. So I spoke to Akshaya Kavre, and she said that Archana, I have a friend who can help you with this. आप उनसे connect करो, she'll be able to help you immediately. So this lady, Aarti Moe Talwalkar, I connected with her and I told her, I said, देखो, I've got a baby who's a plum-haired parakeet, and she's flown away since past 2 days. She's not responding to me. Can you help? So she said, Archana, fine. Give me time till evening. I'll get back whatever information I get. And then I was like, क्या होगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा information? I mean, location ही भी भेजेगी. I have no clue about this. And then she came back with some description and she told me, Archana, your parrot is showing me green color. It's a पेड़. She told me I can see a tree, but it has fluorescent leaves. मैंने ऐसा पेड़ कहीं देखा नहीं है. And I was like wondering कि मैंने भी देखा नहीं है. And I looked out of my window. To my shock, that tree is exactly right out of my gallery, which I'll show you. And I was like, अच्छा. So I asked her, why this description? So she's like, to just let you know that we are talking to the right parrot. क्योंकि ये जो बातें थी that there is a tree which I can see with the fluorescent leaves, ये सिर्फ मैं और मेरा पैरट जानता है, ना कि वो एनिमल कम्युनिकेटर जानती है जिसने मुझे या किसी को भी देखा नहीं है. इट इज़ जस्ट अ वर्ड. And then she told me, okay, so we know we are connected to the right parrot. Now let me see how this will go. But she said there is a disclaimer. Parrot is an individual soul. वो एक खुद का ही अपने रूल पे चलता है. So हम as an animal communicator, we don't force any animal कि तुम घर आ जाओ. It is their wish. We tell them, we request them, and we ask them कि अगर आप घर आना चाहते हो, do you need any help or do you wish to come? So then the next day she told me, Archana, I am asking her when will you be back home, and she's cross questioning me कि कौन सा घर, what home? मैं तो अभी उसके घर आई हूँ. And I was silent because she was a rescue. वो सिर्फ 7-8 महीने पहले मेरे घर आई थी. And then it was dumbstruck wherein she is now revealing her details. And she's like कि आपका और मेरा जो एक रिश्ता था, that is done. Please don't come looking out for me. I won't see you. I am on my way. And we just had this memories together. Okay, one more thing I'm missing here is she told me, Archana, that parrot told कि तुम 3 दिन से already जानती थी कि वो उड़ने वाली है. And I am like, yes, every time when I enter that door, I would first look for her. कहीं डर था, पता नहीं क्यों, from past few days, कि ये उड़ जाएगी. So I was like, this is real communication. ये सिर्फ मुझे और वो पैरट को पता था, ये किसी को नहीं पता था. So I said, no, there is some science behind this. I need to learn more. So I told Aarti, I said, Aarti, one day, no lost animal, I want to just know about ये क्या है ये, what is this? So she said, Archana, Akshaya Kavre, who is also my mentor now, so she said she asks you to watch a documentary of Anna Breitenbach, जिसका एक केस था of spirit, the black leopard, जिसको नाम डियाब्लो दिया गया था. And I immediately told her, I said, Aarti, वो मैं मेरे कॉलेज दिन से देखती आई हूँ. I have by hearted that. So she's like, Archie, you already know what animal communication is. So I said, I thought maybe she's gifted. So she's like, no, this is something you can learn. आपको इच्छा है, you can learn. And to my surprise, she said, ये चीज़ें जो होती हैं, as a human we are born with it. आपको वो just acknowledge करना होता है कि yes, I have the ability. You have to be more human to understand that language. हम बहुत baggages लेते हैं, ये है वो है दिमाग में. So we are more surrounded with our own world. She's like, you have to calm down and you have to connect with the nature, और आपको हर एक चीज़ सुनाई देगी. And I said, okay. So she guided me to Akshaya Kavre, and that's how I signed up, and that's how my journey began.
What was your experience being on this side of the table after you learned animal communication, and now you're helping somebody else connect to their animal? First time, what was it like?
So one of my first communication with the dog was somebody of his friend, and she said that आप बात कीजिए उससे. And that dog showed me room full of shoes. I could see room full of shoes, and she, in her tone, she told me कितने सारे जूते. Okay, this is the word I heard. And then I went back to the owner and I told her, do you scatter your shoes around? She's like, nahi, those are my prized possessions. I said, your dog showed me room full of shoes, and मुझे चलने की जगह नहीं है. And she's telling me कितने सारे जूते, with that tone. And she started laughing. She's like, Archana, मेरी आधी से ज़्यादा सैलरी मेरे जूतों में जाती है. And my dog genuinely hates me bringing another shoes. So many times she has ripped a new shoes. तो जब मैं shoes घर ले आती हूँ अभी, I straight take it to the bedroom and lock it. So she can't chew on them. So my Zara के जूते, my other things have like gone on the first day. So she hates shoes, and she was laughing. She's like, Archie, I never realized this कि उसको सही में problem है मेरे जूतों से. So this was one with the dog. With a cat was very interesting is there was this one person who had 4 different cats. अभी मैंने एक से बराबर कनेक्शन नहीं किया था एंड सडनली दिस लाइक मेरे 4 बिल्लियाँ बात करो एंड आई वेंट बैक टू अक्षया एंड आई टोल्ड हर अक्षया प्लीज़ हेल्प मी यार 4 बिल्ली एक ही घर में मैं कैसे करूँगी. शी इज लाइक अगर तुम्हारे घर पे 2 अर्चना है, डू यू नो कौन किससे बात कर रहा है? अच्छा ऑफकोर्स हमारी शक्लें अलग है. सो शी इज लाइक एनर्जी वर्क्स दैट वे. जब आप कनेक्ट करते हो नाम लेके, जब आप उस विश्वास से कनेक्ट करते हो, उस इंटेंशन से कनेक्ट करते हो, इट कनेक्ट्स टू द राइट एनिमल. डोंट थिंक टू मच. शी इज लाइक द होल दिस इज ऑल अ लीप ऑफ फेथ. सो यू कनेक्ट एंड सी हाउ इट कम्स. आपको ही पता चलेगा. एंड आई सेड ओके एंड आई देन कम्युनिकेटेड विद ऑल दोज 4 cats. उसमें वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन दैट वी आस्क इज टू हैव अ पैली कम्युनिकेशन. व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट टॉय और व्हाट्स दैट वन थिंग यू लाइक अबाउट इन दैट हाउस. एंड ऑल दीज 4 cats में से 3 cat ने मुझे बोला दे शोड मी समथिंग रेड. ना आई वॉजंट एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई कि वो लाल है क्या. सो आई वेंट बैक टू द ओनर एंड आई सेड यू नो आपका ये बिल्ली जो है ये मुझे कहता है उसका फेवरेट चीज़ लाल है. एंड शी लाइक आर्ची हमारे घर पे कुछ लाल नहीं है. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक साइलेंट. मेरी कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो रही है. एंड देन द नेक्स्ट डे आई स्पोक विद अनदर कैट. वो भी मुझे कुछ लाल दिखा रहा है. एंड देन आई कनेक्ट विद द 3rd cat. अगेन देयर इज अ रेड. आई सेड सी आई मीन इट्स ओके मे बी अभी आपका ही घर है तो मुझे वो स्टोरी रिपीट हो रहा है. आई हैव नो क्लू बट दिस इज वॉट इट इज. Then after a few days we were just having a casual communication about how cats like sunshine and she told me Archana wait a minute. I said what happened? She's like तुम्हें पता है मेरे गैलरी में मैंने मेरे चारों बिल्लियों के लिए बेड्स बनाए हुए हैं, उनके पर्सनल बेड्स which are red in color and that's the place where they enjoy the sunlight. और because it is raining now मैंने वो सब dismantle करके अंदर फेंक दिया है. And I said see that's the red that they like. And she's like I'm getting it off tomorrow. And she then messaged me, she showed me a photo. She's like Archana look at they're enjoying their view from here. I said see, so this is how special animals have to tell you. It is just that you just have to listen to them, that's it. They're so cute.
True, so true.
There was this one case जब मैं सीख रही थी animal communication, we from animals we went to plants or nature. And then we were told you can also communicate with the plant because they are as alive as us. वो जिंदा है ना, so they have an energy within them. So then I pondered और मेरे ही गैलरी में I have this magnolia plant. He's bending down. I'm giving him everything. I go to gardeners, I give him fertilizers. कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. So I said let me try here. Let's try. So I told I went with my process of talking to the plant and I said please help me to help you कि आप क्यों झुक रहे हो. And the only one sentence I heard is change the direction. And I'm like okay अच्छा अभी ये भी बात कर रहा है. I said ठीक है let me try. So मैंने मेरे गैलरी के इस तरफ से उसको उस तरफ कर दिया. The 3rd day that guy is up, nicely open and full of life. So I was dumbstruck.
Wow, lovely.
कि सभी चीज़ें बात करते हैं बट हम इंसान इतने बिजी होते हैं हमारे लाइफ में कि हमें किसी चीज़ के लिए टाइम ही नहीं है. Which senses you are very sensitive with, उस पर आपको कम्युनिकेशन आता है. So there are few of my friends who completely give their awesome communication with intuitions. It's much easier it seems to train a kid because they are much present. They enjoy every moment. तो उनको किसी भी एनिमल प्लांट से कनेक्ट होना बहुत ईजी है. इट्स देयर नेचर. जब आप किसी जानवर से प्यार करते हो उसकी जो एक नेचर है उसे भी प्रिजर्व करना ऑफ एन इंडिपेंडेंट लाइफ कि जहाँ पे आप ना हो ही स्टिल शुड नो हाउ टू फेंड हिज लाइफ, ना कि वो दूसरे दरवाजे पे जाके भीख मांगे.
I would like to thank each and every one of you all for subscribing our channel, for liking and for commenting and for all your suggestions that you all have given us. We really appreciate all your active participation for Talkie Tales. Thank you.